Hey, welcome back to 22 DIY. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making two very easy and quick DIY Christmas decorations. So first up, I'm going to take these ornaments from the Dollar Tree and attach these bow stickers to those. Next, I'm going to add all of the hooks to the ornament. I'm just going to hang all of these ornaments on the loops to the shower curtain. Once I hung the ornament on the loop, I kind of squeezed the metal just to keep them from flying out of there when the shower curtain is opened and closed. And this is how that turned out. I thought it was really cute. I really enjoyed making it. It was super simple, super quick, and it just added a little bit of holiday decor to the bathroom. So for the next DIY, I'm going to take these pine stems from Hobby Lobby and I'm going to make a mini wreath for the doorknob. I didn't end up using these little candy canes or these red pebbles. So first up, I'm going to take two of these pine stems and twist them together. Now that I have them twisted together, I'm going to create a circle with them and hot glue the ends together. Next, I'm going to take these two bells and tie them on a ornament string and just tie them around the bottom of the wreath. Next, I took these mini fake lights and glued them on the wreath. Next, I'm adding these little pebbles. Next, I took 4 of these mini snowflake buttons and glued those on there. So this is what it looks like on our doorknob. I really enjoy making both of these DIYs. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.